Oh, he's getting mad. What? What
are you getting mad for? You want to eat?
It's time to change your diaper. Oh, I know. You don't want to. He's like,
wait, you're just moving all over the place.
You're so little.
Little flipper foot. I swear it looks like a flipper.
Those little toes.
Flipper foot.
You want to change your diaper now? Is it time to change a stinker? Oh.
There's so many yarns in there. Goodness.
Hi, Cohen. Hi, Bubby. Are you farting? Oh, gosh.
You're working hard.
He's focusing. Get it all out, because after you're done, it's time to eat.
Every time this thing brushes against his chin,
He licks it.
yeah, is that for me to eat?
You know, watch every time his chin hits it, he sticks his tongue out. Like, yum. Food? Are you gonna eat it, Cohen?
Think I eat your shirt?
Is that
so
yummy?
Yes. When your flailing hands, you're always moving around really well. How's that get feeling?
You're so cute. Alright, I'll change you now.